For those that are used to me saying, as always, yeah, this isn't one of those. So this is damp, but it has not had any soda ash put on the shirt in any way, shape, form, whatever. No soda ash. Don't soda ash the shirt. At least not yet. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and flip this shirt inside out. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and mark the center of this. And to do this, scrub both ends. Do that. It's always nice when the siren happens while you're recording a video. Alright. Pinch that. Flip that over. And we're going to speed through the rest of this because there is a separate video that explains all of this in detail. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and flip this to wherever I want the halfway mark to be. Probably there. It's a lot more difficult to work with than the regular shirts. This does not like taking folds. Every time I fold it, it imparts new creases that I didn't want. And the shirt feels nice, it just does not. I am so used to folding. I normally work with Gildan G500s, and they fold so easily. This, not so much. Alright, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get another fold in this or not. Okay, I guess it's not bad. I can't get anything tight down here like I normally could, so it's not an issue because I'm dyeing this completely different than what I would normally do. So I'm just going to start a little higher up here. I keep forgetting. Blue marker doesn't work. Alright, and grab this. Actually going to come in and do this first after, hold on. Well, that rubber band flew just all over the place. do this real quick, and probably one more if I can find one. There we go. Just to keep that in line, and then probably one up here, just to keep that in line. Alright. Now since this is ring spun, I can't pull this as tight without possibly cutting through. I'm trying to be gentle. Do that simply because I started that direction. I'm going to flip it and then start working this way. Alrighty. So I'm going to throw on, oh, if I can find the right size. I think I'm going to go ahead and fold this like this. Alright. Part down here on the tip. So I have to do something here. I'm not really sure what to do. So I think I'm just going to ring it. And let's see. Here's that. And off to dye. Okay, I'm dyeing this one on edge, and the colors are going to be Robin's Egg Blue, Turquoise, Brilliant Blue, Cerulean, Cayman Isle Green, Sea Glass, Bright Green, New Emerald Green, Forest Green, and possibly Oxblood and Burgundy. This is on an incline of about 6 inches, starting on this side. And again, this does not have soda ash in it. So the whole thing's going to be ice dyed all the way through, and then we'll come back and add soda ash after the fact. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, let that melt through, and then we'll do the next step. Alright, the thickest parts down here are not all the way through, so I'm going to go ahead and apply ice probably a second time. And might as well do the whole length. And we'll make sure that we flush it through before we go on to the next step. Let that melt through, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, I have a highly saturated solution of soda ash of about 1/4 cup to 2 cups of water at 120 degrees. I'm going to lift this up a little and try to do this without making a giant mess. Alright, so I had lifted it for that run to try and get it to run a little bit more. And I've made up another 2 cup of hot water to 1/4 cup of soda ash solution. And I'm just going to let that run down. I need a different container. Alright, transferring that over to something that I can form a... There we go. Pouring that over everything. Start up here again. One more time real quick. Now, I'm going to let all that sit for a few hours, and then we'll go ahead and do the washout. Alright, it's been over 24 hours. Let's do this washout. Alright, let's take a look at this. I'm really curious about this one. Alright, I'm going to throw this in the washer. We'll see what it looks like when it finishes. So here's the finished product. Go ahead and flip this over. I'm quite pleased with this. You can see a little bit of the work from the incline where you have that effect, the smearing, and in here as well as the more typical patterns that are showing up. And I really don't have much to say. I like the results. I'm definitely going to play with this more. I might even try going fully vertical for this and building a little holder specifically for this. But overall, like I said, I'm really happy with this. What do you think about it? Do you think this is a good possibility to work with? Let me know. And until next time, thanks for watching.